Time feels faster now, not a little faster, significantly faster. Years disappear before you notice them. This is not imagination and it is not nostalgia. It is a document psychological effect. When you were a child, 1 year felt enormous because it represented a large percent of your life. When you were 5 year old, 1 year was 20% of everything you had ever lived. Your brain treated it as important. But today, 1 year might be just 2 3% of your life. The brain measures time relatively, not absolutely. So, as you age, each year literally feels shorter. But that is only part of the reason. Bigger reason is memory. Human brain does not remember time. It remembers change. In childhood, almost everything was new. New places, new skills, new emotions, new mistakes. Your brain recorded details constantly. That density of memory made time feel long. Now, compare that to adulthood. Same route, same screens, same conversations, same days repeating. Brain stops recording. Not because life is boring, but because it is predictable. Neuroscientists call this temporal compression. When days are similar, the brain stores them as one block. 10 similar days can feel like one. That is why weeks disappear. Busy does not slow time. Busy actually speeds it up. Because when attention is scattered, memory becomes shallow, and shallow memory creates the illusion of fast time. Screens play a major role here. Modern life fragments attention, you switch tasks hundreds of times a day. The brain never fully enters a single experience, so it records less. And when memory is weak, time collapses. This is why you look back at last year and struggle to remember much. Not because nothing happened, but because nothing stood out. Brain uses memory density to estimate how long time felt. Less memory, shorter time. More memory, longer time. That is why vacations feel long while they are happening. But work, weeks vanish. Novelty stretches time, repetition shrinks it. Time did not speed up. Your life became more automated, and automation removes awareness. The faster time feels, the less present life becomes. And that's why so many people feel like they are watching life passes instead of living it. This is not about slowing clocks. It is about understanding how the mind experiences time. Because once you understand that, you stop blaming yourself for something that was neurological all along. Thank you. Follow for more.